Brampton City Council pressures Stellantis to save 3,000 auto jobs. The city of Brampton, Ontario, has taken an unprecedented step to force Stellantis to commit to a future for its local assembly plant, rezoning the land to exclusively allow vehicle manufacturing. This move directly challenges the automaker's indefinite plans for the facility, which currently leaves roughly 3,000 unionized workers in uncertainty. The plant's sudden standstill for nearly 2 decades, the Brampton assembly plant was a major producer of Dodge Chargers and Challengers. However, with the redesign of the Charger into an electric model, production moved to Stellantis' Windsor facility. The final blow came when the next-generation Jeep Compass, initially slated for Brampton, was shifted to Belvidere, Illinois, in response to Trump-era import tariffs. This sudden change in strategy left the Brampton plant idle, with no new product assigned and thousands of jobs at risk. While Stellantis maintains it has plans for the site, no concrete announcements have been made. The delay of the Compass production until late 2027 has only worsened the situation. The city's countermove on February 25th, the Brampton City Council voted unanimously to rezone the land to restrict its use solely to vehicle manufacturing. Previously zoned for general industrial purposes, the site could have been easily sold for redevelopment. The new zoning law effectively blocks this option, hoping to incentivize Stellantis to recommit to auto production. If Stellantis thinks they can go and build condos there, they can fly a kite, Brampton Mayor Patrick Brown declared during the session. This blunt message underscores the city's determination to protect its auto industry. Workers demand action. The move has been met with strong support from Unifor Local 1285, which represents the plant's workers. President Vito Beto argues that the rezoning protects the plant and provides hope that Stellantis will step up and commit to a new vehicle. The workers view the plant not just as a workplace, but as a generational source of livelihood. Stellantis responded with a statement acknowledging the city's interest in preserving the site, stating that protecting manufacturing jobs is a top priority. The company claims to be actively evaluating future product opportunities, but offers no immediate assurances. The situation raises broader questions about the vulnerability of manufacturing jobs in the face of shifting trade policies and corporate restructuring. The Brampton case demonstrates how local governments are increasingly willing to intervene to protect their industrial base. The future of the Brampton assembly plant remains uncertain, but the city's bold move has put the pressure squarely on Stellantis to deliver a viable plan for the facility and its workforce.